once I went ahead and uploaded this, if you see right over here, this is it, and this is grouped. So we're going to ungroup it, and then I'm going to scroll right down here, and this is the white part in the back, and all I did was just click that to get rid of it. I thought it would be a lot easier if everything was grouped together to apply it, because it's going to be 3 layers than to have everything be separate. Let's scroll down here, and the basic cut we're going to change to green. So that's done. The next thing we're going to do is insert the name. So let's go ahead and hit text, and we'll type in the name. And font that I used is called Lubalin, and I don't know if I said that correctly, but I got that off of defont.com. So let's go to recent, and it's ITC Lubalin. So that is what I used. Then all I did was just kind of place it where I would like it. We're going to change that to green. So now I'm going to hit the shift key and then the green, and then I'm going to hit attached. And then I can drag this part over. Now, when I go ahead and send this to the Cricut, it's going to automatically cut it just like this. And to me, that's a lot easier than trying to line everything up. Okay, so let's start with the white. So let's go ahead and select this, and I'm going to hit the shift key. And I'm just going to continue selecting all of the ones that are white. And let's make sure 1, 2. We're just holding the shift key down, and we're just selecting all of the pieces that are going to be white. And then we're going to hit attached. And then we can just go ahead and take the white and slide it over. And then this little piece right here, let's make this bigger so you can see it. That's gray, was part of the mouth. So let's slide this over. We'll slide this one over too. Okay, so this part right here, you can leave it gray, or you can change it any color you want. Just to be easy, I changed mine to black. So I just went ahead and I did it that way. And then you don't want it to cut both of those images because it'll be separate. Like you'll have a part here that you can peel. I want it to be together. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this. And then I'm going to hit the shift key and select behind it. And then I'm going to go to combine, and I'm going to unite those. That way it's just one piece instead of 2 pieces. Now it looks here that we missed a little bit of the white, which is not a big deal. Let's go ahead and select the black first. So I'm just going to select here, hit the shift key, select, 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 and attached. So we'll do that. And this part we ended up not using anyway, so let's delete that. So let's go ahead and bring this back here, and we'll line this up the way that it should be. So now I'm just going to select this, and this part I went ahead and I cut, but I didn't use that. That was what went with this piece, that R. It's easier just to leave it there, and then I just didn't use it. So we're just going to select the whole thing and hit attached. So now if you look here, this part will be cut, and then this part is all together. So all you're going to do is just lay it down on top. So much easier than having it not be grouped. So now we are ready to go ahead and hit make it, and we're going to send it to the Cricut. And then I selected vinyl as my option, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and cut it and then get started.